see Go Nova. It's definitely an upgrade. You have the adjustments, it's automatic. You can see it got the adjustment for you can grind on it. Inside, you can charge it up on the inside right there. This compared to the old one. This is my old one right here. You see that came with my welder. Well, it didn't come with my welder, it was in the kit with the gloves, but you can see how much bigger the screen is. I have no visibility out of this one. This one is like 1,000 times better. So if you're looking for a good welding helmet, it was about $40 on Amazon. So, and they had it here the next day. So Go Nova.